interaction, food web, community, and adaptation. In this segment, we will look at the characteristics of the environment. Firstly, we have temperature. If the temperature in a certain environment is too high, most plants will wilt or even die. Animals will die as well, as they rely on these plants for food. If temperature is too low, water will freeze and many plants cannot survive in such a condition. Most animals cannot survive in places where temperatures is too low, high, or when there is drastic changes throughout the day, and can only survive in places that have minimal change in temperature. Secondly, we have amount of air, food, and water. Within a habitat, organisms are competing for food and water. Only organisms which are stronger, and are able to get food and water will survive. The amount of food and water available will determine the kind of organisms that can survive in the habitat, and the size of the population. Thirdly, we have the amount of sunlight. Green plants need sunlight to make food via photosynthesis. Survival of community depends on the supply of food by green plants. Some animals such as frogs, toads, lizards, and snake need sunlight to warm their bodies. Other animals like earthworm and woodlice and slug need dark and moist environment to survive. If they lose water under sunlight, they will die due to dehydration. Fourthly, we have type of soil. Growth of plants depends on the soil, as plants get water and minerals from the soil. Clayey soil holds water very well and water cannot flow through easily. It is too wet for many plants to grow in it. Sandy soil allows water to flow through very quickly, and very few plants can grow in such soil as it doesn't hold enough water to support growth. Garden soil contains equal amount of sandy and clay soil, and it is the best type of soil for plant growth, and it gives plants plenty of nutrients. Fifth, we have presence of predators. The number of predators depends on the number of preys in the community. Lastly, we have presence of disease-causing organisms. These disease-causing organisms can cause death of plants and animals if infected. Some examples include bird flu and fungal infection. Thank you for the effort to learn with me. Good job. That is all for today. Stay tuned for more interesting lessons from me. See you next time. Bye-bye.